This is for Year 11 methods. It comes out of 16D question number 3. Let y equal 10 to the x. Find the average rate at which y changes with respect to x. So average rate of change is going to be f of x2 minus f of x1 divided by x2 minus x1. And if I'm going from 0 to 1, I'm going to make that f of x minus f of 0 over 1 minus 0. And then if I'm going from 0 to 0.5, it will be f of 0.5 minus f of 0, 0.5 minus 0. So I've done this over here. I've defined f of x equaling 10 to the power of x, which is what y equals. And I have f of x minus f of 0 over x minus 0 when x equals 1. So that's going from 0 to 1. And I get an answer of is equal to 0. If I go from 0.5 to 0, then it's equal to 4.325. If I go from 0.1 back to 0, 0.1, 2.589. Okay, if I go from 0 to 1, I get 9. I don't get 0, I can't see, so that's 9. If I go from 0.5 to 1, I get 4.325. If I go from 0.1 to 1, I get 2.589. Part B says estimate the instantaneous rate of change at 0. So what I'd like to do is I'd like to see what's happening to these numbers as I get closer and closer and closer. So we go from 9 to 4.3 to 2.589. It's zooming in something like 2, 2.1, 2.2, could even be 1.9, I'm not quite sure. So what I've done is I've gone from 0.1 to 0.01, and I get this value, and then to 0.0001, and I'm thinking that we're zooming in on about 2.303. So I'm going to guess my estimate is 2.303.